Can you see me? Is this too dark? It might be. I'm gonna be doing 2 unboxings right now. One is very basic. It's a Wayfair unboxing I ordered because I like to have like a stainless steel sponge holder for my kitchen sink. And the one we had from a long time ago when we first moved here, I ordered extras. And from Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it was, and they don't have them anymore. So I ordered a set of 2 from Wayfair, plus another one that's supposed to come next week, or this coming week, because today's Saturday. And these, they're very affordable. I'll leave you the link for these on the description box for this video. Sorry, I'm like really tall, the camera's kind of high up. So I'm like kneeling kind of. It's from a brand called Home Basics. They were on sale, and it's called a sponge holder, and there's 2 suction cups on the back. And I'll show you what I'm doing, like where I'm gonna put them on this, you know, in the sink in our kitchen once we get to that. But this is like, I guess like a home unboxing. Wayfair / Yankee Can, no. Wayfair / Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. So it comes with 2 from the Wayfair thing. There's 2 of them. This one, sorry bunny, is, you know, the same thing. See, Home Basics sponge holder, and it has the 2 suction cups on the back. And these are supposed to be like rust free or something, which is something I was looking for. They have a Facebook, an Instagram, and a Twitter. Although Twitter's not Twitter anymore, but I don't use it, so it doesn't really matter to me. But I got 2 of these. It was like a set of 2, even though like they're just packed like this, which to me is kind of weird. But they'll serve the purpose. So I could save 1 for like another time, and then 1 for now, because I don't need them all at the same time. I just want to have 1 sponge, you know? But this is good. You got the suction cups, and I'll show you soon what it looks like in my sink once I do it. Then I have a box full of soaps and cleaning sprays. I don't see the cleaning sprays, but it should be in here. Here, let me show you what it looks like. So I have my Home Basics sponge holders. There's 2 of them. And okay. Then we have I keep saying Yankee Candle. Mrs. Meyers Clean Day. I like the Acorn Spice one. It was like a fall promotional thing, but I got mostly fall scents in here. I got Acorn Spice, which is one of my faves. I got 1, 2, 3 of them, 3 Acorn Spices. And I got, this is my favorite one for the fall, apple cider. It's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. 1, 2. Oh, this is the spray. I got this for a change because I got like one of the things was like a 3-pack, and then I got the apple cider scent cleaner, which will go underneath my kitchen sink. And I got 1, 2, 3. 3 of these apple cider scents. I think it was like a 3 for deal on these. Then I got 1 pear tree because I like this one, and it's good for like almost any time of year, I would say. Limited edition scent. But I wanted to hit the minimum for free shipping, so I had to get something extra. I had to get some extra stuff just to like get to the minimum. And then lastly, I got the apple scent, which I also love. for like pretty much any time of year. I got 1, I got 2, and I got 3 of these. So I got like a nice box of hand soaps and all-purpose cleaner. This is Meyers. Yeah, that's all that is. And let me show you what we're gonna do with one of these sponge holders in our kitchen for the sink. And I'll show you what the other one looks like right now. I find the mess by my sink, but see how this is? Like literally, well, let me move this first. So like literally this thing fell apart, it like fell off and the whole thing came apart, and I was like, forget this, but I'll just leave this here for now. Because I don't want the sponge to be sitting on the surface directly. So we're gonna just get rid of this. Keep my hand soap over here. And I don't want this to go into the sponge because I was keeping it there or here. But I think if I put it here, the new one, like here or here even, that would be good. But I hate how like the sink's not very big. So it's like limited space to clean stuff. So this might be good. Stick it there. I just want to clean the surface first before I stick this on, because you should put it on a clean surface, use some rubbing alcohol or whatever, and then it should stick nice and good. So we're going to do that. Really just sprayed this with some rubbing alcohol. I hope this is enough to just like give it a nice clean surface. And get that one set up to go. Yeah. I took the packaging off, and now I'm gonna stick it on and pray it stays. I'm like pushing it. Push, push, push. Okay, hopefully that's good. Worst comes to worst, I'll I mean, the sponge isn't heavy. When it's wet, it's heavier, but it's not that heavy. And that stupid fucking flies. It's good. You know, I don't want to see my nasty sink, the dish on my sink. But for now, like, that's good. Right?